Dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we have started with the linear equation, one variable, the introduction part. In the introduction part we have studied the definition of linear equation in one variable, and also we have seen the difference between the algebraic expressions, the difference between the expression and equation. In this session you are going to study the next concept, that is solving linear equation. So what is a solve? That is values of the variables, values of the variables for which LHS is equals to RHS, for which LHS is equals to RHS, values of variables for which LHS is equals to RHS are solutions of the equations, are solutions of equations. Okay, so this is a statement for solving linear equation, that is values of variables for which LHS is equals to RHS are the solutions of the equation. That is first question, find the solution of first example, that is 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. So this is one method I am going to solve, and one more method I am going to solve. So see here, first one, find the solution of 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. First one, step 1, first write the given thing, that is 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. Step 1, what you have to write, that is subtract minus, that is subtract 2 on both sides, so just subtract 2 on both sides, so you will get this as 4x plus 2 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Okay, so what you will get, this plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, so remaining is 4x which is equals to 5 minus of 2 which is equals to 3. Okay, so this will get as, so this question is 4x plus 35 taken, so 4x plus 2 which is equal to 5 you take, so you get this as 4x which is equals to 3. So now see what I have to do. So next to step 2, I write step 2 I write divide both sides by 4. So if I divide 4, you will get this as, that is 4x by 4 which is equals to 3 by 4. So 4 get cancelled, so x is equals to 3 by 4. So just you need to verify in this equation. So this equation is 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. So 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. So I take 4 of 3 by 4 plus of 2 which is equals to 5. So next this is verification. Okay, so next step this is, and now 4 get cancelled, so remaining is 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5, and 5 is equals to 5. Again LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. First step, find the solution of 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. 4x plus 2 is equals to, first write the given thing. First step, subtract 2 on both the side. 4x plus 2 minus 2 which is equals to 5 minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Remaining is 4x which is equals to 5 minus 2 which is equals to 3. Next, second step, divide both sides by 4. That is divide both sides by 4. I have divided here 4x by 4 which is equals to 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled, remaining is x. X is equals to 3 by 4. So verification, just put in the given equation 4x plus 2 which is equals to 5. Here x, instead of x put 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled, 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5. Again 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. LHS is equals to RHS. I hope so you have understood this problem. And one more problem I am going to solve from this one, that is find the solution of, it is 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7, as you have taken in your textbook. That is second part, find the solution of 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. First write the given thing, 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. What I do? Just I add. Step 1 I add plus 3. Add 3 on both sides. Add 3 on both sides. If I add both 3 on both sides, that is 2x minus 3 plus 3 which is equals to 7 plus 3. Okay, so if I do this, minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, so remaining is only getting this as 2x which is equals to 10. 7 plus 3 which is equals to 10. Next one, what I are getting as 2x, I divide. Step 2, this is step 2, I divide both sides. I divide both sides by 2. I divide both sides by 2. So you will get this as 2x by 2. 2x by 2 is equals to 10 divided by 2. So you will get this as 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So you will get this as x. So now see 2 get cancelled and 2 ones are 2 5s are. So x is equals to, you will get this as 5. Okay, so x is equals to 5. Then next what I have to do, just you have to put in this given equation. That is, given equation is 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. So that is 2x minus 3, just x is equals to 5. It is 2 of 5 minus of 3 which is equals to 7. So you get this as 2 5s are 10 minus 3 which is equals to 7. Again 7 is equals to 7. So you will get this as LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so first thing what I have to do, first write the given equation, find the solution of 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. First write the given thing, 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. Step 1, add 3 on both the sides. If I add 3 on the both sides, I am getting 2x minus 3 plus 3 which is equals to 7 plus 3. Just nothing, just you have to add plus 3 on both the sides. Minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. So remaining is only 2x. 7 plus 3 which is equals to 10. So next step 2. Divide both the sides by 2. If I divide both the sides by 2, that is 2x by 2 which is equals to 10 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. X is equals to 2 ones are 2 5s are, x is equals to 5. So 2x minus 3 which is equals to 7. 5 2s are 10 minus of 3 which is equals to 7. So again 7 is equals to 7 which is LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, I hope so you are understood these two problems. Okay, now so in the previous concept we have completed with the first method. In this method you are going to study, that is transpose method. So what is the transpose method? So you have already learned, once again you are learning solve. That is first one, that is 2y plus 9 is equals to 4. Okay, so this is the given thing of solve 2y plus 9 which is equals to 4. First step. First one, write the given thing 2y plus 9 which is equals to 4. Next step, first step, that is transpose. Transpose 9 on RHS. Transpose 9 on RHS. So if I transpose, that is 2y is equals to 4 minus of 9. So you will get this as 2y is equals to 4 minus 9. That is 9 minus 4 which is equals to 5. By seeing the greater number we keep this sign. That is 2y is equals to minus of 5. Okay, so y is equals to, I write minus 5 by 2. So y is equals to, you will get as minus 5 by 2. Next step we have to do the verification. Verification, what you have to do? In the verification, what you have to do, just you have to substitute this y value in the given equation. The given equation is 2y plus 9 which is equals to 4. And what you got the y value? Y is equals to minus 5 by 2. That is 2 of minus 5 by 2 plus of 9 which is equals to 4. So this 2 get cancelled, remaining is minus 5 plus 9 which is equals to 4. 9 minus 5 which is equals to 4 is equals to 4. Again your LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so first step, write the given thing. First step, write transpose this 9 on RHS. So 2y is equals to 4, that is plus, so 9 will become as minus 9. 2y as it is 9 minus 4, which is equals to 5, and that is plus minus, so you will get as minus, because seeing the greater number sign we have to keep this sign. Y is equals to minus 5 by 2. This y is equals to minus 5 by 2. Just you need to put in this equation. 2 gets cancelled, minus 5 plus 9, which is equals to 4. 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. 4 is equals to 4, that is LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so now comes to the one more problem. What is one more problem, that is transposing method of one more problem. So usually we use transpose method in the while solving the linear equation in one variable. That is second one, that is fourth example. Right is x by 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. First write this given thing. X by 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so now see what I have to do. X by 3 as it is. Okay, so which is equals to minus 3 by 2 as it is. Right here transpose minus 5 by 2 on RHS. Okay, so if I do transpose, you are getting x by 3, which is equals to, you will get this as 2 as LCM, minus 3 and minus 5. So I'll get this as minus 8 by 2. So this is 2 1s are, 2 4s are, which is equals to minus 4. So you will get x is equals to minus 4, x by 3, which is equals to minus 4, and lastly x is equals to, you will get this as 4 3s are 12, that is minus of 12. Okay, x by 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2, x by 3 as it is, minus 3 by 2 as it is, plus 5 by 2. When goes to the RHS, it becomes as minus 5 by 2. Both the denominators are same. LCM is 2, minus 3 minus 5. Just we have to add this, we get minus 8. Minus 8 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So which is equals to minus 4. X by 3, which is equals to minus 4, 4 3s are, x is equals to minus 12. So, okay, so just now verify. So verify, if I want to verify, I'll just verify here only. So I put x is equals to minus 12. Minus 12 by 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. So I will do here verification. Okay, verification this is verification. Next here see 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So I'll write this as minus 4 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. So this is LCM is 2. LCM is 2 again into 2 into 1. So minus 8 plus 5, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. So 8 plus the minus 8 plus 5, you get this as minus 3 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. Again it is LHS is equals to RHS. As LHS is equals to RHS means our solution is x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so after x is equals to minus 12, just put in this equation x is equals to minus 12. Minus 12 by 3, 3 1s are, 3 4s are, minus 4 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. 1 and 2, LCM is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Now multiply numerator, 4 2s are minus 8. Next 5 1s are 5, because plus into minus is minus. Minus 8 plus 5 is equals to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is equals to minus 3 by 2. Hence LHS is equals to RHS, and hence we can see is a solving a linear equation in one variable. So we have studied the two methods. In the next video we are going to solve the exercise, that is your exercise number, that is the first one, that is in the linear equation in one variable. For this, copy these 4 problems and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number.